Hello friends, today I have this Honda Accord 2005. It's 3.0 V6. I'm replacing the upper ball joint, which I removed this one already, with the ball joint remover press. So I got this note with it, and it says the opening of this ball joint allows full start swing movement in one direction only and requires a specific orientation prior to pressing into the matting part. The mark on the ball joint flange identifies the extended full swing direction and must watch position of similar mark on the original part being removed. Okay, so once I removed this ball joint, I didn't know which position it's supposed to go, because if you look at it this way and that way, it doesn't slide more, and this way and that way it slides way more than so it goes in two positions, one this way and another one like that. And exactly the same thing on here. I installed the original, the new one, so you cannot install it this way, it's not safe. You're gonna install it this way, so that longer slide open part looks straight to this upper part. So you're gonna install it in this position, and the C clamp goes there, and then again it stays in that position, and then you can put your steering knuckle, and that will fix the problem. I was looking on the internet, I did not find anything that what this means or how to position this, because I forgot the position of this old one when I pressed it out. I did not know if it was going in this position, or in that. So the original position is this one. You don't install it like that because it's not safe, and install it this way, just like that. And see, thank you for watching my video. I usually fix home appliances, but today I had problem with my vehicle, I had to do it.